Luxazora Vagon is marketed as a stylish online store offering products with premium branding and attractive deals. But the real question is, are they actually worth the price? Now, to be fair, premium-looking products are not automatically low quality. But with online stores, the value often comes down to what you actually receive versus what the marketing promises. What it does well, the products can look appealing. Professional photos and polished branding create a premium feel. Wide product selection. Stores like this often offer trendy items across different categories. Where the concerns start appearing. Independent feedback looks mixed. This is the biggest issue. Recent customer reviews reported serious complaints, including unauthorized extra charges beyond the original purchase amount. Price does not automatically equal quality. Premium branding can sometimes create expectations that the product itself may not fully justify. Professional photos do not guarantee premium materials. Product images can look very different from real-world quality. So, are Luxazora Vagon products worth the price? Short answer, there is enough evidence to confidently say yes. The products themselves may be acceptable, but recent complaints suggest buyers should be careful before assuming premium pricing means premium value. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.